my name is Maninder. Welcome to my channel. There are four kinds of past tense: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. I have explained the first two kinds in my previous video. In this video, I am going to explain past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense. So let's get started. Past perfect tense. Where do we use this tense? It is used to describe the past events that happened before another event in the past. Means it is previous past event. Affirmative sentences. Structure of affirmative sentence will be subject, had, third form of verb and object. You can see I have made arrow, singular and plural. Had will be used equally with singular as well as with plural subject. Singulars, as I have already explained, he, she, it or any name, and plural subjects you, we, they. First example, he had eaten banana before he left. You can see had eaten is explaining an event that happened earlier, then he left. Means had eaten, had third form is used to explain a previous past event. Second example, the patient had died before the doctor arrived. The doctor arrived as a simple past sentence, but before the doctor came, the patient had died. So had died before the doctor arrived is explaining two events in the past where patient died earlier and then the doctor arrived. Both the events are of past tense. Negative sentence. Structure will be subject, had not, third form of verb and object. Had will be used equally with singular as well as with plural. He had not finished his work by 3 o'clock. You can see had in third form. Next example, the patient had not died before the doctor arrived. In the same way, we can make any other sentence using different kinds of subjects. We had not gone to market before our parents returned. In this sentence also, you can see we had not gone. Previous event, and the next is parents return is the simple past event. Interrogative sentences. The structure will be little changed. Had will come in the beginning, then subject, third form of verb, object and a question mark. Example, had he eaten banana before he left? Second example, had the patient died before the doctor arrived? Now you can see had is used in the beginning with singular as well as with the plural subjects. Third form of verb is used. Had he eaten banana before he left and a question mark, because without a question mark a sentence does not look like an interrogative sentence. Second example also you can see had the patient died is an interrogative. Before the doctor arrived, question mark is showing that it is an interrogative sentence. Past perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that began in the past tense, continued for some time and ended in the past. Like affirmative sentences structure. Subject, had been, first form of verb with ing, since or for and object. Since and for I have already explained in my previous videos. Since is used for the point of time. For is used before a period of time. Had been will be used with singular as well as plural subjects. He, she, it singular, plural, you, we, they. First example. He had been reading V1 ing a novel for 2 hours period of time. He had been reading a novel for 2 hours. She had been reading a novel for 2 hours. When we want to write here some point of time, we can write He or she had been reading a novel since 2 o'clock. Second example, I have taken 3 subjects, they, we, you. You had been waiting, V1 ing, for the next bus since 3 o'clock. Point of time is used. We had been waiting for the next bus since 3 o'clock. Point of time. They had been waiting for the next bus for 3 hours. We can also use a period of time. Negative sentence. Structure. Subject had not been, first form of verb with ing, since and for according to the time given, and object. First example, they, it is plural subject. They had not been waiting, first form of verb with ing, for the next bus since 3 o'clock. It can also be for 3 hours. They had not been waiting for the next bus since 3 o'clock. Another example using I. I is also used with had. I had not been reading, first form of verb with ing, a novel for 2 hours. I had not been reading a novel for 2 hours. Equally, it can be used since 2 o'clock. Interrogative sentence. Structure. Had in the beginning, subject, been, first form of verb, ing, since and for, depending upon the time, object and question mark. Had they been waiting, first form of verb, wait and ing, for the next bus since 3 o'clock. You can see here, since is used before a point of time. Instead of they, we can also use you. Had you been waiting for the next bus since 3 o'clock? Or we can also say, had they been waiting for the next bus for an hour, period of time. Second example, had I been reading a novel for 2 hours, period of time. Had I been reading, first form of verb and ing, a novel since 1 p.m. That's all about the past tense. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and subscribe.